This is an SSD drive and we want to change. So I'm going to show you how you can change your hard drive. This is an SSD drive.
Your smile lit
up
like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight.
So we're going to lose all these screws. Ensure that you lose all these screws. We're going to lose all of them. So just watch as I lose it. Then the type of screwdriver you're going to get is a star screwdriver. You can see we're going to use a star screwdriver to lose it. So I'm going to lose it very fast.
Wild and free.
So I have loosed the screws. So I'm going to remove it side by side. You do it gently from this side.
Like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving.
Everything completely.
Eyes meet, worlds colors collide.
So it has been kissing has been used, and this is how the laptop for the hard drive here. So and we are going to use that SATA hard drive on the one we are going to use. But firstly, before you do that, what you need to do is must first ensure that you remove the power. You must first ensure that you remove the power. So I'm going to remove that before I can fix the hard drive. The reason why we have to do that is because there's still light on this battery, and if you do that, you might breach the board. So you have to ensure that you remove the battery. So I'm going to remove the battery. So you can see, you have to be very sure that you remove it. And now I've removed the battery on the board, and that means this board is safe. This board is safe. So I'm going to put the SATA hard drive, this one, I'm going to put it there. You can see. So let's put it there. You can see. So this is this SATA connector. So you can see you have to ensure that the two connectors is intact with this. You can see. So that's how I'm going to do that. I'm able to put it back there. You see. You ensure that all this is lapped. You ensure that it's lapped. So I have put the SSD SATA back. The next thing I need to do is to now fix this cable, which is the power from the battery to now power it. I have to do it very gently. You can see. So I have done that. So what I need to do is to now put the cover back. Then after that, then you now screw it gently. So you have able to put your hard drive there. So I'm going to now flip it over. I will flip it over, then I will now on it. So actually no, maybe what I have done is good. You can see. So it will be very fast because we are using SSD. You can see it will be very fast. So this is the reason why you have to use SSD on your computer. It's very fast, it's very reliable. In my next video, I'm going to tell you how you can know your speed of your laptop. That will be my next video. If you find this video, please share, like and comment. Thank you very much.